Philippines, and hello Pangasinan. Welcome to the one of the municipalities in the province of Pangasinan, which is composed of pristine heritage and delightful products. And of course, our appointed 73 barangays with my hospitable 124,711 Cavaliers. I am Michael De Cruz, 28-year-old, and welcoming you to my hometown, Malasique. My hometown is known for having the best main crops, such as rice, corns, and tropical lowland vegetables that we export not just only here in our province, but also in the different parts of our country. We are also known for having the best mango fruits because we have one of the largest mango tree population in the entire Philippines. And as a member of the LGBT community, it is time for us to help one another, love one another, for we are all product of God's love. God will judge you because of what you've done, not for who you are. Small things can create a big impact to the world, to the society, and to the community, and most especially to the LGBT community. Once again, I am Michael De Cruz, 28, representing Malasique.